My name is James Emler, and this is the story behind the picture. I've long been interested in grass strip airfields, and partly because my father was a pilot in the last century. One day I asked him what his favorite airplane was, and he said it was the Waco. I'd never seen one, but on this particular day, one came in, landed, and taxied right up to me. I couldn't believe it. Pilot was a young guy, and as I watched, he jumped down from the airplane, and I asked him if I could photograph it. And he kind of looked at me and looked at the camera I was holding. I had a speed graphic at the time, and he said, "With that?" And I said, "Yeah." And he said, "Sure." It was a bit of a problem because the aircraft was green, the landscape was green. It was very difficult to differentiate them, but I did 3 shots. I did another shot of him leaning against the fuselage, but I wasn't satisfied. In the end, he walked around to the front of the airplane and swung the propeller, and as the engine kicked to life, I tripped the shutter and I had the shot. I felt it was perfect. The result is very satisfying to me, and it speaks strongly to me of my relationship with my old man, you know. And that's the story behind that photograph.